I can win the race. Dogs can't fly. You mustn't cross the line. You must train hard to win the race. My friends have to get up at 6 o'clock. You don't have to work at weekends. It may be hot tomorrow. May I go to the stadium?
Modal verbs. Modal verbs don't take will, do, does, or did in questions. Modal verbs don't add ed at the end. Modal verbs don't use an s at the end. You don't write to after modal verbs. Modal verbs don't have ing at the end.
To make questions in he can win the race, you say, can he win the race? To make questions in your boss must follow the rules, you say, must your boss follow the rules? May I go to the stadium?
Attention! Модальный глагол have to меняется по всем правилам. Пользуется вспомогательными глаголами will, do, does или did в вопросах и отрицаниях. Может меняться с have на has. They have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. You don't have to go to school on Sunday. Can, may, must, have to.